Welcome to today's video, where we'll be exploring how to create a step-by-step guide for setting up an affiliate account through CJ Affiliate. This is a fantastic way to monetize your online presence, and I'll be sharing all the tips and tricks you need to get started. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Understand the CJ Affiliate program. First, it's essential to understand the CJ Affiliate program and what it offers. CJ Affiliate is a leading network that connects advertisers with affiliates to promote their products and services. As an affiliate, you'll have the opportunity to earn money by promoting products and driving traffic to their websites. Step 2. Register and create your account. To get started, head over to URL and click on the Join Now button. This will take you to the sign up page. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and a valid payment method. Once you've registered, you'll receive your affiliate ID and password. Step 3. Sign in and access your interface. Once you've registered and created your account, you'll need to log in and access your interface. This can be found in the top right corner of the screen under the Affiliates tab. From here, you'll be able to monitor your earnings, track your campaigns, and manage your promotional materials. Step 4. Choose your niche and products. The key to success in affiliate marketing is to choose a niche that you're passionate about and have knowledge in. This will help you create content that resonates with your target audience and drive more traffic to your affiliate offers. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to explore the products available through CJ Affiliate. Step 5. Create and promote your content. Now that you've chosen your niche and identified the products you'd like to promote, it's time to create content that showcases the benefits of these products. This can be done through blog posts, videos, social media posts, or any other platform that you're comfortable with. Make sure to include strong calls to action CTA letters that encourage your audience to click on your affiliate links and make a purchase. Step 6. Monitor your earnings. It's essential to keep track of your earnings and campaign performance. This can be done through your CJ Affiliate interface, where you'll find a dashboard that shows your earnings history and campaign performance. By monitoring your progress, you'll be able to identify which strategies are working and make necessary adjustments to your campaigns. Step 7. Request payouts. Finally, once you've met the minimum payout threshold, you'll be able to request your earnings. This can take anywhere from 1 to 3 business days, depending on your location. Once your earnings have been processed, you'll receive a notification via email. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a successful affiliate account through CJ Affiliate. Remember, the key to success is to choose a niche that you're passionate about. Create high-quality content and promote your offers with confidence.
By Right Focus Point.